crow mother? Seriously? Oh, Winty Minty, this one is friendly. What could happen? Mother, I'm not much of a big crow fan. Oh, but he's so nice and cute. You could try petting him. Don't worry, he won't bite. Fine, let's get this over with.
Mwah. Hello, Ice Queen.
I think I need to wash my hand now. And my entire body.
I just wanted to kiss your hand.
Oh my God, why?
I asked your mom. She said it was okay.
Oh, you're so sweet. I couldn't say no.
I love you too, Icy.
I am not from the Winx Club, so don't call me that!
Honey, what's a Winx Club?
I don't know. Apparently it's a big deal for winter. Someday soon, Crow, you will pay.